Welcome to TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about stat function in PySpark. The stat function in PySpark provide access to various stat methods such as crosstab, correlation, covariance, frequent items, and sampling. It is used via df.stat.method. So here is your data frame, then you will say stat and then provide the method. And then if case you want to crosstab, then you will say stat.crosstab. And then if you want to frequent items, you will say stat.frequent items and keep moving with the covariance and correlation. So here I'm creating a sample data. You can see I have name, country, and score, and we will use this data to apply different stats on this. Here I'm creating a data frame by using the create data frame function. So we will provide the sample data here and the list of the columns. So here is my list of the columns, name, country, and score. Once our data frame is created, we can see the data frame contents by saying df.show. So now if you want to use crosstab, this is how you will do it. You will say df dataframe.stat, then crosstab, and here you will provide the name of those columns. And very simple. We have a detailed video on crosstab if you want to see more details how exactly it works, what type of value, but I will show you here as well. So now let's execute this part of the code and then see the outcome. So here I'm executing the selected part by saying shift control enter, and now you will see the values. Here is our original data frame, and you can see the column name, country, and score, and here is crosstab. So you can see that record Ali Raza that only belong to USA. See right there. So if we write here, and then you see right here, and then Bob is in UK only, so two occurrence of Bob in UK. So see right there and see right there. So this is how the crosstab will present the data. So you can use stat.crosstab to get that information. Now if you go to the frequent items, we can put something like that. We say dataframe.stat frequent items, and then we will provide the name of the column. Here you will provide support if you can change the support however you want to see the frequent items, and then depending upon the support value parameter, the output will change. So you can see the definition here and all those details. I have a separate video on this frequent items where I experimented with this different parameters and showed you value. So now if you want to see let's say you want to see covariance, that we need an extra column. There will be two numerical columns where we can calculate the covariance. So here I'm creating a new data frame called the df2, and here I'm saying df with column. So I'm using with column to add an extra column, and I'm calling that column as a bonus, and I'm using expression. So I'm using the score multiply 0.1, so 10% of that one, and then this bonus column will be created. So if I will see this data frame, now the bonus column is created, and then what we can do, in the next I'm calculating the covariance. So I said COV underscore VL, so that's the variable I define it here, and data frame 2 stat.covariance, and calculate the covariance between score and bonus column, and then I'm printing the value of that variable right there. Now if I would like to do the correlation, I am doing the same thing here. So here I define a variable here, correlation value, and data frame 2.stat.correlation, and find the correlation between score and bonus, and then finally I'm printing that value. So I'm going to go ahead and execute the entire notebook. So you will see all the results for different stat functions we have used here. Here is our original data frame that has name, country, and score, and then next we found the crosstab. I have already shown you guys, and next we find the frequent items in the name and country. So that is returning a 0. As I said, that with the support parameter value change, you can adjust that and what would you like to see, and that will help. Now with the we added a new column bonus. Remember that was the value of the score multiply 0.1, so that will add up, and it became 8.5. So these are the values that come in, and then we finally calculate the covariance between score and bonus, and that is 9.62, and then we calculate correlation between score and bonus, that is 0.9. 9999. So this is how you will use stat function with the other methods such as crosstab, frequent items, covariance or correlation to get different results or perform different analysis on your data frame. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in next video.